Hey everyone! Welcome to the review of the LG SP7R 7.1 channel high-res audio soundbar. And before we start, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Let's get started. 1. Immersive 7.1 channel surround sound. The LG SP7R delivers a fully immersive audio experience with its 7.1 channel setup, complete with a rear speaker kit. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming music, you'll feel surrounded by crisp, clear sound that fills the room and brings every detail to life. 2. High-resolution audio. Enjoy studio-quality sound with high-resolution audio support. The SP7R delivers richer, more detailed sound with a dynamic range that enhances every note, beat, and dialogue, making it perfect for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. 3. Rear speaker kit for true surround sound. The included rear speaker kit takes the surround sound experience to the next level, offering a 360-degree soundscape that puts you right in the middle of the action. It's a must-have for cinema lovers who want a theater-like experience at home. 4. Powerful wireless subwoofer. The wireless subwoofer delivers deep, thunderous bass that adds depth and intensity to your audio. Explosions, bass drops, or that cinematic rumble, you'll feel it all. Plus, its wireless design makes setup hassle-free and keeps your space tidy. 5. Adaptive sound control. The LG SP7R features adaptive sound control, which automatically adjusts sound modes based on what you're watching. Whether it's action-packed scenes, quiet dialogue, or lively music, the soundbar optimizes the audio to suit your content perfectly. 6. Connectivity and compatibility. With a variety of input options like HDMI, optical, Bluetooth, and USB, this soundbar seamlessly connects to your TV, gaming console, or smartphone. It's also compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, ensuring you get cinematic audio from all your favorite content. 7. Easy setup and sleek design. The SP7R's sleek, minimalist design fits beautifully into any home entertainment setup. It's easy to install and pairs effortlessly with LG TVs for a seamless audio-visual experience. 8. Why it's worth it. The LG SP7R stands out with its 7.1 channel setup, rear speaker kit, and high-res audio support, delivering a premium sound experience. Whether you're upgrading your movie nights, gaming sessions, or music playlists, this soundbar is a game-changer for your home entertainment. Final verdict. The LG SP7R 7.1 channel high-res audio soundbar with rear speaker kit is a top-notch choice for anyone who values exceptional audio quality. With its immersive surround sound, wireless subwoofer, and high-resolution audio capabilities, it's designed to elevate your entertainment experience. Don't miss out. If you're ready to upgrade your home theater setup, click the link below to get your hands on the LG SP7R at the best price today. Transform your sound, transform your experience.